What's up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy back again with another update about my bacterial bloom. Well, if you watched the last video, you will know that I was saying that wrong. I was calling it a bacterial boom. It is kind of like a boom because everything just exploded. So this is the proper term and word is bloom. Last time in the video, you couldn't see my Placo. Look at him right there. He's thriving, having a good time. Yeah, so to me, unless I'm getting used to it, it looks like it's getting a little bit clearer. I'm going to be brief on this. I'm extremely tired. I had a wild, rough day. So I'll break this down for you guys really quick. I just want to be as transparent as possible. I've been taking notes. So when I got up this morning, it was at 5 a.m. It's a record for me. The fish made it 36 hours. The beta looked a little sluggish this morning. He appeared not to be eating. By the way, it is 12/28/2021. December 28, 2021. So like I said, this morning the beta fish looked a little sluggish. He was kind of doing some wild stuff. He was actually, I had this thermometer up here. He was actually getting up there between the water level and the tip of the thermometer and just kind of resting in there. I thought it was weird, so I dragged it down. I moved it down, rather. Let's get this camera right. So I moved it down. Oh, that's a reflection. That's bothering me. Anyway, so I moved it down. What is that? Sorry, y'all. That's a reflection. All right. So I moved the thermostat down so he wouldn't do that. Then he got, he became real active. Then he seemed to start chasing the mollies around. So the mollies and the Placos, they seem to be doing good except for the beta was chasing them around. I don't know if you guys was able to see the beta yet. He's actually back there. Maybe he'll come out. Let's get some light on him while we talk about this. He seems to like this light. Let's see if I'm right. All right, so you saw the Placo. I think the water's clearing up a little bit, but PetSmart is saying don't do anything. Just let the bacterial bloom take and do its thing. And do 2 more days of this Ready Start Nutrifying Bacteria Starter, and that should clear the water up. This is what they're saying. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing, so we're gonna go with them. That's what that is. All right, so fed the mollies this morning, 5:15 a.m. They did not look, they did not appear to be eating. And that kind of worried me, so I don't know. I didn't keep on sprinkling any food in there. I just kind of let it go. Then I fed the beta. I've been giving my beta this top fin pellets, beta bits. I've been giving him beta bits, and he doesn't seem to be eating them. He will grab them, put them in his mouth, and kind of spit them out. The young man at PetSmart said, don't worry about it. Sometimes betas go on starvation diets. I don't know. Like I said, I'm new. Obviously I am, or I wouldn't have this bacterial bloom. It is kind of fun to say. So that's where we are, in the middle of the bacterial bloom. All right, so the mollies didn't seem to eat that much. And then this time I decided to put the nutrifying bacterial starter in this morning. So I have 2 more days of that. And then they said let it go. And there's the beta. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's right there. Maybe he'll come out to the light, come to the light. Come to the light, buddy. Let them see you while I make this video. All right, so I put in 2 pellets. He may have ate them later on today. I don't know. Then they fed the Plecos, put some of the bottom feeder food on the bottom. The guy at PetSmart said, why do you have Plecos? You don't have algae. So I'm thinking, well, I got algae food. I got food for the Plecos. Anyway, all right, so went to work, came back. I think the beta killed the mollies, y'all. Killed both of them. Here's why I say that. Because when I came home and I saw the mollies were dead, I immediately took the water to PetSmart because they told me the water was fine. So I took it to PetSmart and they said the water was fine again. But I think the beta killed the mollies because I did see him chasing them around one at a time. And I think he just finished them off. Another sad day. There's my Pleco. Look at him. He might go up for air, come back down. That's what Plecos do. I read it, I saw it in an article or something. They breathe air. So do betas. They also breathe a little bit of air. Not a lot of air. Don't make fun of me. They breathe a little bit of air. All right. So, I believe the beta killed the mollies. It's a sad day because I did like the mollies. I'm also going to have a change of plans. All right, let's get back to this. PetSmart tested the water. They said the water was good. And they said, hold on. So, I'm not going to buy any more fish until this bacterial bloom ends. But I am thinking about getting another tank and letting it get set up before I put fish in it. So don't worry, y'all. That's where we are. Water appears to be looking a lot more clearer. I would love for you guys to see the beta fish. And I think I'm going to give him a tank of his own. And that's it. That's where we are. We are on day number 4 of the bacterial bloom. Wish me luck. I think it's going to work out. Just hold on. Be patient. Again, don't do like I did. Next time, you beginners out there, when you get your tank, just let it cycle. Let it run. Let the bacteria build up. Don't be a moron like me. And get fish and kill them off. All right, guys, I'm out of here. See you on the next update. I probably won't do an update until day 6. I don't know. Unless it's super, super clear. But, all right. You know what we always say, get out there, live, love, and enjoy life before it's over. Because it will in one day. All right, man. All right, ladies. Peace. Stay safe. Come on out, buddy. Show the people how beautiful you are. It's a beautiful killer. Where's he at? Where is he? Where is he? Did he take off? Actually, he's right there. Anyway. He's acting funny. All right, y'all. Thanks for the patience. I will answer any questions. If you think I should make a video on what not to do, let me know in the comments. He ain't gonna play fair. Later, y'all. Peace.